Hello, it's Zutshi here, and in this short video I'd like to share some of my thoughts about how I'm going to do things differently over the next 5 years and hopefully the positive benefits that's going to have for you. Now what's prompted this is last week it was my birthday, my 40th birthday, and I spent some time when I was on holiday in California reflecting over the last 8 years in which I've been teaching other people how to become successful investors. And we've helped many people. I'm really pleased with the results we've seen people achieve and the way their lives have been changed. And the specific way that we invest not only helps the investor, but helps the seller of the property. So through the network and through the mastermind program, we've helped many thousands of people and their families, which is really fantastic. But I've been thinking about what I like to do and what I really want to spend my time on, so I'm going to make a few changes. So, first of all, obviously you're aware of the Property Investors Network, and initially when we started it in 2003, I was speaking at all the events and pretty much running everything. And that was great fun, but you know what, I'm a little bit busier than I maybe want to be at the moment, even though I love what I do. So, I've been able to put a structure in place, and we've got a great team who are now expanding and growing the PIN network. From September, we're going to have 22 meetings around the country, and I'd like to share my vision. And that is to have about 40 of these investor networks all over the UK. What that means for you is you've got a local meeting you can go to with like-minded, success-orientated, positive people who can share ideas, who can support you, an environment where it's safe to learn and minimise the risk by learning from other people's mistakes, an environment where you can pick up all the contacts you need. That's my vision for PIN, and I really hope you can engage and enjoy that as well. So I'd encourage you to go along to your local PIN meeting. If you haven't been for a while, you haven't been before, go to our website, www.pinmeeting.co.uk. That's pinmeeting.co.uk. And you see there are 22 locations all around the country. Now, because I'm conscious of my time, I'm spending less time speaking at other people's events. I'm going to be speaking at the PIN events every few months and some of the larger property events. If you want to see me in person, you need to come along to those events. What that means is that frees up more time for me. And one of the things I'm passionate about doing is spreading the word about property investing and how you can benefit from property. So I'm going to be doing a lot more webinars, and I want to give out lots more information. We're redoing my property mastermind website, and that's going to have a lot of free information about how sophisticated strategies, how you can really get the most out of the current market. So that's being launched in a few weeks, and we'll let you know when that happens. Also, I said I'm going to be doing webinars, and we're going to create lots more products, because I like doing physical seminars. The problem with the physical seminar is that people can't make the date, they're very expensive to organise. By filming and recording a product, we can make audio and DVD, which we can sell at a far lower price, far more cost effective for you, and you can watch and listen to whenever you want, wherever you want. So we're going to be doing far more products just to spread the word out there as well. Now, the other thing I want to do with some of this extra time I have, one of my key skills is I'm very creative. I know when I speak to motivated sellers, for example, I can often think of solutions that other investors they've been speaking to just haven't been able to come up with. I've also been pretty successful in my business. We've grown PIN and Property Mastermind program. So what I want to do is share some of that learning and experience. So I'm looking to do some private consulting. Now, this is not for beginners. I'm not going to teach you how to invest in property. I'm looking for people who've already got property portfolios, they're already successful entrepreneurs, business people, and I want to help take their thinking and their ideas and their strategies to the next level. So, if that's you, look out for that. It's going to be very small, limited amount of time. We're going to do 2 sessions every single month on a purely one-to-one basis with a very high results and satisfaction guaranteed offer. So there's absolutely no risk to do it if you're the right kind of person. Obviously, my Property Mastermind program is the main program we do. We've been doing it since April 2007. The program is starting in October. Will be our 10th program. We've had almost 500 entrepreneurs come through the program, and I think it's about time we do a few changes there. It's a big time commitment for me. I love it, but you know what? I think most people who want to do Mastermind have probably done it by now. So after this Mastermind program, the 10th program, we're going to make some changes. It's not going to be the same format. So if you want to benefit and you've not done Mastermind yet, I really suggest you look into Mastermind and work out if it's right for you. It's not right for everyone. Only for people who really want to take it to the next level. So you can go to www.property-mastermind.com and register your interest. In a few weeks, the website will be totally updated, and we're going to let everyone know about that. There's lots of free resources and information for you on there. Finally, I want to set up a charity or a foundation. You know what? I think we've been giving massive contribution by helping people, teaching them about wealth creation, and they can go and help other people finding and helping motivated sellers. But I want to really get the message out there, and I want to use leverage. I could give time, I could give money, but what I want to do is use my ability to inspire people and motivate people for some really good in this country. Now, I'm not quite sure what it's going to be, and it's not set up yet, and it's going to take a long time to do the research and get it all in place. But I want to put the stake in the ground, put the seed out there, saying I'm looking for help. I want people who want to make a difference and want to contribute. Now, we're going to do things slightly differently. I'm fed up and tired of charities where they waste a load of money on admin and salaries for directors. I'm going to set up a charity where my business pays for all the admin, pays for any salaries that need to be met, so that any money that I raise that goes into it goes 100% to the causes we're going to support. So that's my mission. I want to put it out there, show us one of my goals for the next few years. I do hope you can join me on that. So, I hope it's been useful. I just want to update you. Things we're making slight changes. There's lots of resources and information for you in the Property Investors Network. I do hope you make the most of that, and let's make this place a better place to live in. Thank you.